Now, before we get started with migrating your domain into the system, there is something I would actually like to touch on. You see, you can use the entirety of the system without importing a domain, because each system comes with its own unique system domain. So I'm just going to show you exactly what I mean. So if I navigate over here to Setup on the bottom left-hand side, and I come here to Websites, you'll see that I have my default website and it has this system domain. Now your system will have its own system domain. This is going to allow you to test out all of the different features in the system without having to import your domain first. Now we do obviously recommend that you do import your domain at some point, especially when you are ready to go, but this is important to note that you can use the entire system without importing your domain first. And now I do want to make another quick note that importing your domain should be the last thing that you do in the system. You want to make sure that the system is fully functioning and ready to go before you move your domain across onto the system, especially if you have a pre-existing business and you'll be moving a lot of records onto the system. You want to make sure that nothing breaks when you move everything over and that everything is good to go. But this custom system domain is going to allow you to, again, use everything in the system so that you can ensure that you're happy with how everything works before moving your domain across. In the next video, I'm going to cover how domain hosting works in this system and why we do it slightly different to everyone else in the industry. I'll see you there.